Hi guys, how we doing? So, if you remember right, I put turnip and cabbage in this bed, and I've put some fish blood and bone and grow more stuff on it, but I really need to try and get my tunnel empty because I've got new stuff that needs to go in it. So what I'm going to do is, while I'm waiting, as you can see, the turnip's coming up and the cabbage is starting to come up. So while I'm waiting on that come up, I'm going to put these lettuce in, because these lettuce will be ready to harvest long before they're ready. So I'm still swithing whether to make this a brassica bed or an allium bed. I don't know. I really don't know. So what I'm going to do anyway is I'm going to dig a wee hole here, or use my dibber if I can get a big enough hole. And basically I'm just going to drop the iceberg lettuce in. Oh, you can't even see that. So what I'll do is I'll make these holes, and then I'll see if I can show you this. I'll take the lettuce out, and I'll just pop it straight in there, but it's not wide enough, so I make it wider. And there we go. And that will get these out the tunnel. Give me some more room. So I'll just finish these and then I'll get back. Well, in this part, we're back in the grow room. And what I've just done today, and I was going to film it, and then I thought, do you know what? Everybody's seen it before, but so I didn't bother. But what I've done is I've threw out the crap Crimson Crush tomatoes. My wee cherry tomatoes are doing strong in this new compost, doing great. Even the sweet corn has sprouted in the new compost, not the old stuff. I have pricked out and potted up some Brussels sprouts, but I only need 2, so. And I've got 2 in the low tunnel, just as spares. These are the new, what do you call them? Marigolds, that I had to buy a new packet of seeds. These are all cauliflower. These and these are all cauliflower. I'm really going to, we missed out on the cauliflower and broccoli last year. I'm really going for it this year. I'm going to just grow them. I'm going to put one of each in a bucket maybe. What I have done is I've put in some new beetroot, because I haven't ate beetroot ever since I tasted homegrown beetroot. I haven't ate you know, the stuff you get in a jar. And this is dwarf French beans. Now I know I'm a bit early, I'm about a week early with them, but I don't know if the seeds are viable, so I'm hoping if they show their face within a week, good, I'll just keep them in here. If they don't show their face within a week, I know I'm going to have to go and buy some more seeds. That's the reason I've done them so early. And here, the ginger, still hasn't done anything. I threw out, you know, if you remember right, I had 3 primula, you know, these wee green tubs for primula. They were in that old crappy compost and nothing happened. So what I've done is I've resown the rest of the seeds in here to see if it helps. And here I have got my new Crimson Crush tomatoes. And if you can look, you can see that's them just coming up, and that felt like that is a stone. And it's sieved compost as well. They've just started to come up. I've resown the kale, because the seeds done nothing with that compost. I'll never buy that Oh well, I'll rephrase that. I'll tell the wife never to buy that compost again. That's it, really. That's all I've done in here. I've moved the fan so that it hits more of a area. You can see all the tomatoes are moving. That's in here. Out here, I've showed you the fact that the cabbage and the turnip have started to come up, and I put in the lettuce. So I've put some more onion in my tunnel. I'm now starting to think I should leave that tunnel open at night now. Don't know, I'll wait and see. There's my potatoes. There, you can see them come up. And this is where I've been working today. And that's it. The flowers are in. Don't know if you can see in that, you know, the planter I've done for my strawberries. The wife put pansies in it. All we've got left is some sweet peas. And that's it. That's it for today. What I've left out the seed tray is I'm going to do some more lettuce, and I'm going to put in some more Early-Nantes and resistor fly carrots. So I'll leave them out. This is all done. Got these are forget-me-nots. These need to go in June and August, because they flower the second year. So they'll begin in then. I may put these in. As I said, we're really going for the cauliflower and broccoli this year because we missed out on that last year. But what I'm going to do is, see the black buckets? I've got 2, 4, 6, I've got 8 of them lying doing nothing. So what I'm going to try and do is put a cauliflower one side and a broccoli on the other side, and try and grow 2. The wife bought me bare root raspberries. I don't think they'll need a big pot this year. And Brussels sprouts. And I'm also going to have brassicas in that netted bed. And that's me for today. Okay, as always, stay safe, and thanks for watching. Bye now.